So I'm going to show you how to make something like this. So what we're going to do is create a brand new scene. It's completely blank. And what we want to do first is create a folder. So we're going to create a folder and drag it over. Now, I don't like this folder icon, so we're going to go ahead and change it. By clicking on the gear icon, we're going to go to select local file. And then from in here, we can choose any icons that we have or any icons you have on your computer. And we just hit open, do original image, and it will fill it directly in. So now that we have our folder, we can click in and it gives us 14 tiles to work with. So let's go ahead and start off with the scenes. Now I'm only going to do 2 scenes, so that way we don't have so many scenes to cycle through, but we're just going to do just the first 2. So I'm going to change the icon again for the scene. So we'll go to select local file and we're going to look for the number 1. There we go. Original image, and we'll repeat the process for the second one. All right, so from in here, we have our 2 scenes, so we're going to go ahead and assign them. So down here at the bottom for scenes, we're going to select starting soon, and then we're going to select just chatting. So now we got our 2 scenes. We got our stream button, so this will send us right to Twitch or wherever we have our OBS assigning our streams to. And then the next thing we want to add in is some hotkeys. So for hotkeys, it's going to be in Toolbox. We're going to go to hotkey, and I'm only going to assign 1. And what we're going to do is just click on that and then click the key on our keyboard for that hotkey. Now, once we have all that set up, we're pretty much ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and bring up OBS and show you how everything works. So let's look at the functionality of the device. So I have OBS pulled up, I have the device over here, and then I also have the software over here as well. So this is the scene that I had built previously. And if I was to transition away from my be right back to my starting soon, I'm going to press that on the actual device, and you can see that now I transitioned over to my starting soon. If I wanted to mute my microphone, I'm going to click on that button, and if you look down here into OBS right now, it is being picked up and it is transmitting it into the stream. But if I was to hit that button, now it is muted, and you can see that it is all grayed out and it's not being transmitted into the stream. For the go live here, if I click on that button right here, it's going to then transmit the stream to Twitch. And then if I was to hit any of these clip ones, these ones right here, then it is going to either clip horizontally, vertically, or both at the same time. And that is pretty much the functionality, the basic functionality of using this type of device for your stream.